What's up? I'm Matt. I do all the screen printing for Spotted Dog Yoga. Let me give you a tour of the place and show you where it all goes down. Welcome. These are screens. This is basically a photo emulsion, stencils. Get your image up in there, transfers onto a shirt. And you end up with beautiful shirts. Skate ramp, some beautiful murals our homie Tyson made for us, leisure activities and whatnot. The last time I hurt myself on this skate ramp, I probably had one too many brewskis. You know, anytime you're on vert, you have the tendency to kind of slip out and
Today I'm going to show Matt how to do handstand up against the wall. And since it's such a beautiful wall, we want to make sure, and you want to make sure at home that you aren't kicking a hole through the wall. So you're not going to be flicking your feet up this way, but what Matt's going to be doing is he's going to plant his hands down onto the ramp here, right? And then he's going to lift his right leg up, and it's like he was climbing up a little bit of a mountain. He's going to walk his feet up. Nice. Oh yeah. Okay, hold him. Then you're going to grab your kid's leg and lift him up and walk him across. Yeah! That's it, man. Good stuff.
yeah. Thanks for doing yoga with me today, guys. This is where it goes down. Come grab some gear from Spotted Dog Yoga today. Peace.